stand. Look at her practicing her stand with her powerful thighs. She's
Say
looking at
hello.
the camera. Say hello. Hello to the camera. Hello. Big yawn. Not really worth your time.
Show me thighs. Your legs are hiding her thighs.
Oh.
Your arm is blocking the thigh thing.
Oh.
Show some thunder. Let's hone in on those.
You're making her upset. Standing again. Powerful. Powerful. Oh, what a powerful girl. Ooh. You sit down. Let's look at us. Look.
Hey!
Oh, you going cool? She's like, I did that once already. I'm done. I'm done. You had your chance. I'm not a film star anymore today. You know?